Hi, Fiona. What are you doing here?
Jack. Hi. I am here to buy some flowers for my sister.
Is it any special day today for her?
Yes, actually today is her birthday.
Really? Okay, I can drop you now, if you've finished.
Yes, I already finished and let's go. So, how about Sayma's today video?
Yes, today Sayma will show how to use waste paper to make a teddy bear.
Seriously? How it's possible?
Then, you have to watch today Sayma's special video.
Let's watch today video. Cheers.
Try to write you a love song. Thought I could solve for what I told you. Misunderstood. It used to be so good. What went wrong with us? what went wrong with us. I remember one night in Montparnasse, you gave me a painting made of us. So I cherish a moment when we still were young. I won't give it up, cause I'm not strong enough now. Don't come back for sunny, sunny days.
That's the great idea from Sayma, always. Right, Fiona?
Yes, surely. Mag, we are just near my sister's house. Could you please drop right there?
Sure, wait a bit please.
Okay, Mag, thank you for your drop. Could you please join with us?
Thank you, Fiona. I will be happy if I can join with you on your sister's today birthday party. But I have a schedule with doctor. So, let me say goodbye today.
Okay, Mac. Then, goodbye today.
Thank you, Fiona. See you next.
Bye-bye, Mac.
Bye-bye, Fiona. Okay, viewers. Hope you enjoyed today's Sayma's video. As Fiona has an invitation and have to leave her. So, I am alone and have to say goodbye to you as well. Bye-bye viewers, and we'll come back soon with Sayma's next video. Bye-bye.